What's up YouTube? This is Charles, Black Dahlia Reptiles. Just going to do a quick unboxing here. I got a couple new arrivals in that I've been waiting on since last year. This week was finally warm enough to ship, so these two beauties finally arrived for me. This first one here comes from New Mexico. Comes from Crash Site Reptiles. Here's his stickers he sends me. Real quick. Michael Holt. Real funny guy. Real cool guy to deal with. I like Michael a lot. So I picked up a really cool female from him. Pull her out here. Oh man, of course he's got to do the zip tie. Alright. See what we have here. This bag's getting ruined. It's totally fine. Holy hell. So come over here and check this girl out.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Holy hell. So this here is a black pastel, orange dream, yellow belly, possible Enchi. Possible Enchi. So she finally started eating for Michael. So he put her up for sale and I grabbed her up last year because I think she has Enchi. So Black Nightmare, Yellow Belly, possible Enchi. Oh yeah. Dude, that thing is wild. You're escaping on me. Alright. Now this next one is from Mary at Rec Room Snakes. I bought this girl at the end of last year. I think I bought her right before Christmas. This is the other girl I got from my pied projects. I got the one blackhead leopard yellow belly het pied from Justin. And then I got another 100% het pied from Mary here. Almost probably just as wicked of a combo as I got from Justin, but a little bit different. Okay, we got the heat pack. Alright, alright. Oh wow. She hooks me up with a pen. Oh, whoops. Wow, Rec Room Snakes pen. That's wicked. Oh, wow, Mary's got some new stickers here, I see. That's the first time I've ever gotten a pen. This is a new kind of design she's...
Oh, I like the pinup. That's cute.
Yeah. So, Mary and Grant, Rec Room Snakes.
Look at her card.
I've gotten 2 other snakes from her.
That's cool.
Super, super good breeder. Super awesome lady. Probably one of the best customer service you can get. Let me get a quick temp on this girl here. Oh wow. Wow, I can tell this snake's huge. Mary has put a lot of weight on this girl for me. So luckily, Mary did not zip tie this girl.
Probably save a couple minutes, especially with the last one with the zip tie.
Yeah.
You just...
So I got this girl out here. Wow. This girl's a wild color. So this is a black pastel mahogany het red xanthic probable green pastel 100% het pied. Here's her head. So black pastel mahogany het red xanthic probable green pastel, 100% het pied female. Mary's got her really good size for me. Really excited about making some Suma black pastel pieds with her. So that's the route she's going. She's going to be making me those panda pieds. Alright, thanks for checking it out, YouTube. Let's scroll up now. There we go. Perfect, thanks dude.